Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we will learn how to set customized ringtone in Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge smartphones. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to swipe up and open the app drawer. Then you need to go themes. You need to open the themes icon. There is several tabs available in the theme store. You need to click the ringtones tab. So this one is especially for the ringtones. You can find the option top love, top party and top instrumentals or alarm or text. So many varieties are available. Then also you can select the natural ringtones also. So if you want to select the rainforest, so this will be used for the notifications. If you want to set this ringtone, you need to click on that. Then you need to click the bell icon. Then you can select the option ringtone notification and alarm. If you want to set as ringtone, you need to click ringtone. Then the ringtone will be downloaded and applied successfully. So if the call comes, the ringtone will be ring. So that's all guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.